Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a spiral egg. This is a very interesting way to prepare eggs. Your kids will be super excited and they'll finish off the egg in no time. So let's get started. I've separated the yolk and egg white of 2 eggs. Add a pinch of salt to both the bowls. Beat it well with a fork. Now your eggs are ready. Transfer the content to 2 bottles. Make sure you have a small opening in the lid. If you don't have one, make one. Heat a tawa and add the yolk in spiral shape. Now with the egg white, fill the gaps. Let this cook for 1 minute in medium flame. It's been a minute now, so remove and enjoy immediately. Definitely a very interesting way to cook eggs. So do try this at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.